Welcome to Community Learning, the creators of Course Kits, fun, interactive learning for students in grades K through 12. Our course kits engage students with relevant topics and in-depth learning experiences. Teaching a community learning course is easy. We provide a step-by-step instructor's guide developed by subject area experts, preparation tips, lesson extensions, and video tutorials. By providing the essential teaching materials for a well-designed course kits assist teachers and administrators in meeting educational goals and learning standards. Our course kits use hands-on activities to grab learners' attention, build on their natural curiosity, and expand their perspectives. Our courses naturally tie together activities in the arts, math, science, social studies, and language arts. Course kits inspire students, helping them test, build, brainstorm, observe, or create something to be proud of, like writing a movie script about their own experiences, investigating a classroom crime with forensic science, or defending their client in a mock trial. Each lesson comes complete with step-by-step directions for each hands-on activity and all the materials you need to jump right into learning. Take a closer look at our current topics by requesting a free sample lesson and find more information on our website at comlearning.com. Thanks for watching.